welcome to our glass bottom boat ride. Right. As we look down, we are in 3 feet of water right here. Depth of the water is 3 feet. Right. So this is the sandy area. In the sandy area we find like stingray, flounders and starfish. And those are the white ball sea urchin, and we also got the black spine sea urchin. We don't want to step on the black spine or the white ball sea urchin. It's very dangerous. Don't poison your body, but sometimes some people are allergic to a sting. So it leaves a minor infection in your skin when you step on it, and it's very painful. Right, so we don't want to step on it. Anywhere in the world you go, try to avoid from stepping on the sea urchin or the coral. You don't want to break nothing. We got the kidney coral right here, looking like a mushroom there. It's called the kidney coral. Right, then we got the fire coral here with the white tips. I say fire coral. Burn like a fire. It's having the flame of a fire. That's why they call it fire coral. Or the leafy stinging coral. As we look down there, you find the seaweed, otherwise called the turtle grouse. Right. You got the fire coral again, right? We don't want to break the coral, and we don't want to take away nothing from the sea. Right. The coral takes a couple years well to grow, it's 1 inch, and it's easy to die. Okay, soon as this sea gets rough, sometimes the current, the wave break the coral and it takes long to grow back. And hurricane that will damage the marine life, okay? You're not going to see any great big fish in this zone. It's like a nursery reef right here. At night you'll find, some bigger fish come in and feed on little baby fish there. The black fish with the yellowtail called the yellowtail damsel. Them right there. They grow like 3 to 4 inches in length. And the fine baby yellow fish called the yellow russ. Some more kidney coral right here. Fire coral, you see them? Dangerous. If your skin rub on it, burn you. Yeah, that's why they call it fire coral. Then we drop off to 19 feet of water in the sand. So in the sandy area you find like stingrays, starfish, sand dollars and shells. The bright blue fish called the blue cormorants. And the bright blue fish called the blue cormorants. Pillow coral, looking like a castle, you call it pillow coral. The brain coral here looking like a human brain cell there. It's a brain coral. And that broadleaf that wave into the ocean to the ocean, you call the Venus sea fan, or the common sea fan. So the brain coral right there. Blackfish with the yellowtail called the yellowtail damsel. The real black one called the midnight damsel. There's a fish down there looking like a zebra or a tiger. It's called the sergeant major. Alright, in a short while we're going to show you. Right over here now, you can see a little algae growing over here, so we have less sea urchin right here. So what the sea urchin do? The sea urchin cleans the algae from the coral, because the coral can breathe and grow better. There's a thing that lives inside the coral called the polyps. And that polyps that feed the coral, and once a year it push out like a white liquid and form a coral again. Right? It's called the polyps. We got a lot of octopus, we got squid. But from afar you can't see the octopus because they camouflage. They draw the color of the coral. But we do got a lot of octopus. It's a great coral right there. Common sea fan, that purple leaf there. So the purple leaf that waving out called the common sea fan. Right here we're looking at 19 feet of water. So the reef grow up above the sand. So it's up and down. Right? Oh, we do got turtle. We have a lot of turtle. But what have we now? The engine kind of scare them. So what time you see them, when you see them, Caribbean Sea. The Caribbean Sea. In the Caribbean Sea, water is warm. one there, the yellow coral. It's called the yellow sponge coral. It have a hole in the middle there. See there, it's called the yellow tooth sponge. Then gray. Gray coral again. The yellow and black striped fish called the sergeant major. Gray coral there again.
What sort of depth have you got here? About 20 foot now? You got shallow?
Right here, no. Right here, so you're looking at like 7-8 feet right here.
Right.
So it's the reef above the sand, up and down, up and down.
Yeah.
So right here, so these fish now called the yellow wrasse. Those fine fish called the yellow wrasse. And then we got the blue stripe ground there. Or the bigger one there called the blue stripe ground. Sheet coral. Those green coral there that's spread over called the sheet coral. And we jump up now to 20 feet long over there in the sand. Oh. Black spike sea urchin. Those are the blue stripe right here. See all school of them? And they're always bright, they're always in school. See them right here, those are the blue stripe right here. And then alongside we got the fire coral again right there. We got the green coral right there.
Switch about with the tide.
See the yellow sponge coral right here with the orange? And the yellow coral with the orange. And the yellow sponge coral. Okay, what we do, we feed for like, we're fishing for blue marlin, tuna fish, mai, and barracuda. When you throw the line, the barracuda catch it.
So how far out do you go to catch them?
Well, like the barracuda, you know, once we are here, you can catch barracuda. We have to go a little bit shallow. Go to a fishing for blue marlin, mai.
And do you do trips from the resort?
No, they don't do it. But like, if I get someone who go on the fishing trip, now they have to go like to the tourist. And they will send them to a road show.